Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing the simplest structure that actually renders. Include Bootstrap 5 via CDN or NPM, add Popper and the Bootstrap JS bundle, and create index. HTML with a responsive meta tag. Once done, scaffold a container with a top navbar and a grid, row and columns for sidebar and main content. Make sure to link a custom CSS and main. JS so you can override variables and add interactivity. This avoids fighting default styles later and gets you into building components immediately. Now build the dashboard pieces. Create a navbar with toggles, a collapsible sidebar using collapse classes, and a main grid of cards for widgets. Use Bootstrap layout utilities, deflex, justify content between, align item center, and responsive column classes like colMD and colLG to adapt across screens. For data visuals, embed canvas or SVG placeholders and lazy load charts so initial render stays fast. Once interactive elements exist, wire up event listeners in main. JS to update card content and filter datasets on user input. Finish by refining spacing, colors, and accessible labels. Use spacing utilities for consistent gaps, set A11Y attributes, and ensure keyboard navigation works. Then optimize, defer non-essential scripts, compress images, and virtualize long tables to keep UI responsive. Once everything is in place, run through common breakpoints and simulate slow networks. If something breaks, inspect elements with DevTools to find overflow, margin collapse, or z-index stacking issues. Fixing those usually restores layout integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.